How to install and create account on Microsoft Teams for iPad. Microsoft Teams is a persistent chat-based collaboration platform completely with document sharing, online meetings, and many more extremely useful features for business communications. Microsoft Teams has many core components that make it stand out from other collaboration software. Teams and channels, conversation within channels and teams, a chat function, document storage in SharePoint, online video calling and screen sharing, online meetings, audio conference. How do you install Microsoft Teams on iPad? First of all, go to the App Store. Tap on the search. Write Microsoft Teams on the search. After you have found the app, tap Get. Use your fingerprint, Face ID, or password to accept the install. After the install is done, just tap on Open. On this new page, click on Sign up for free if you want to create an account. You can use Microsoft Teams for free and you can use it with any account. Tap on Sign in with another account, but you can also create one. If you want to create an account, you can select for what you wish to use Teams. You can choose personal or work. Enter an email you wish to use for your Teams account. Click on Sign in. Microsoft found that I already have an account on their service, so I will need to write the password. If you did not create a Microsoft account, you would be asked to configure a password and share some info about yourself, like country, birthday, and also confirm your email. Click Sign in. Now you can select a team or your personal account. If you choose personal, it might ask you for a phone number. Write your phone number and tap Next. Microsoft sent a code to your phone. Write it and then tap Next. Now select again Personal. Tap Allow Teams to send notification. Tap Continue. Tap Continue. Tap OK for Teams to access contacts. Tap here what you want. You have now created an account on Teams for Microsoft on iPad. You can now start organizing your company and work on Teams. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.